Hey family, and welcome to Meet the Blacks. In today's video we're going to be accomplishing a deep clean with me kitchen edition. In this video I'm just going to be showing you guys the way that I like to clean my kitchen, products that I like to use, and so on and so forth. So if you guys are interested in seeing this video, please be sure to subscribe to our channel. Click that notification button as well. Leave a comment down below on some products that you might like to use when cleaning your kitchen. If you guys are interested in this video, keep on watching. Okay guys, let's get started. So I always like to separate my dishes from the sink. I always like to start my dishwater first. So by starting my dishwater, I always like to wash out the sink before starting the dishwater for the dishes. What I like to use for my dishwater is dish soap and Clorox bleach. I use the Clorox bleach as my disinfectant because all year round there's so many germs passing through your home and from outside. So I just like to use that as my disinfectant. I also get my soap from Sam's Club because obviously we don't have a dishwasher, so I'm constantly washing dishes by hand, which means I need plenty of dish soap. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start that dishwater now. Add a little bit of that Clorox. And I always start with like my small items. So I'll start like with the cups, the bowls, and then the knives are always the last thing that I add to the water. Okay guys, all I'm going to go ahead and do now is just add some water, bleach and dish soap to the trash can. I know that sometimes, after we eat, the garbage gives off a really bad smell. So what I like to do whenever I'm cleaning my kitchen, I always like to make sure that I'm getting the trash can as well. So yeah, that's all I'm going to do. I like for it to sit for a couple hours. And then what we'll proceed to do is just pour it out and then add the trash bag from there. I also like to wash out my dish rack. I know that throughout the day, when we're eating and grabbing things from the cabinet, things like to fall into the dish rack. Also for dust purposes as well, but I'm just gonna go ahead and wash that out before I go ahead and proceed to wash the dishes, and then let it dry and continue to wash the dishes from there. And I know, guys, I know it's a little bit OCD of me, but I like to go over my dishes like 3 and 4 times, just to ensure that they're clean. So if you see me going over them a couple times, I'm just trying to make sure that I'm getting everything that I could possibly get off of these dishes. And you're gonna kind of see me kind of starting to switch out dishes as I get the bowls and cups all clean and place them on the drying rack. I'm going to start putting like my pots and pans into the water to soak. So I'm just going to go ahead and start switching everything out as I proceed to wash the dishes. Okay, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and move over to cleaning the stove since we've completed the dishes. What I love to use for wiping down my appliances, my countertops, and like even my table, I love to use the product Awesome. You can get this product almost anywhere. I've purchased it from Walmart. I've also purchased it from the dollar store as well, and it clear the bottle clearly says Awesome. awesome. But I love this product. You can let it sit for about a minute or two and it'll get almost everything off of your appliances and your countertops as well. And all I like to do is just go ahead and scrub the stove while the product is sitting on it. And then I like to go back and forth rinsing out my sponge to wipe the product off of the stove once I've completed the scrub. Okay, guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and move over to the area where I keep my blender, microwave, and all of my condiments for cooking. I got this little table that everything is sitting on from IKEA. Look at Babe singing in the camera. But I got this from IKEA. As you guys can see, I am limited to the amount of cabinet space that I have. So this was a great thing for me to purchase from IKEA so I can put like all of my glassware into. So like I stated, I'm just going to go ahead and use the Awesome. I literally use this to clean my entire kitchen. But I use this for my microwave to clean inside and outside of my microwave and to wipe down like my blender and little containers where I keep all of my sugars and flour and things like that. But now I'm going to go ahead onto the table and I'm just going to let that Awesome spray sit on there for a while. I do have a 2-year-old and we eat at this table pretty often, so that's why I'm kind of like going back in for a double spray, because he does have some areas where a little bit of food is kind of left over. So like I said, I just let that sit for a little while and then I go back and I wipe it up with no problem. One thing that I love about the wipe down process, it allows my dishes to dry. So once I'm done with that process, I just like to follow up with putting all of the dishes that I've completely washed away. I love a sleek, clean look to the kitchen. So if I can do anything to help that look, I will. So like I'm doing here is I'm just putting everything up. And like I stated, I am a bit OCD. I would almost fight Babe for me to clean the kitchen sometimes because I just like things done in my order and manner. So as you guys are gonna see coming up, you'll see me kind of just organizing my cabinets. That's another video that I'm gonna have to put up for you guys, organization or organize with me video, because it's pretty intense. But I just like the idea of me knowing where everything is and how everything is. So if you guys are interested in that video and for me doing an organize with me video, please leave a comment down below. Let me know. Okay, guys. So this isn't an area that I attack much, but I'm so glad that I did. Because usually what we'll do is just wash the glass dishes and just put them in the little cabinet. But I just took this opportunity to go ahead and wipe the shelves down and dust a little bit. Okay, I know you guys may have thought that the wipe down process may have been over, but I also do like to wash my walls. It just became a habit from a kid. When we would clean up, we would also wash the walls as well. So it's just something that I incorporated into my cleaning process as an adult. Sometimes when I do cook, I do see food kind of just splatter everywhere onto the walls and things like that. So I just made it a part of the cleaning process. Okay, guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and sweep the kitchen area. I did have Babes help with sweeping the area where the table is, so I'm just gonna make sure that I'm getting almost every corner of those little areas, making sure I'm moving the mat to make sure I'm getting almost everything up under there. And then we're just gonna go ahead and sweep all of that up. Okay, guys, now that we're coming to the closing of the video, I just want to send a great appreciation to all of our new subscribers. Welcome to the family. If you guys are interested in any other videos that you would like to see from us, please leave a comment down below. Give us a big fat thumbs up and hit that notification button so that you can know when we are uploading a new video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.